Christmas season is one of the busiest holidays of the year, so let's focus on the magic of Christmas by whipping up easy and delightful recipes. The dishes that can be added to your menu are Lechon Manok. It's a Filipino-style roasted chicken that is quite unique because of its savory aroma. We're going to pair it with shrimp and pineapple fried rice and green mango salad. Let's start with the marinade ingredients of our chicken. I have unsalted butter here. Add chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped lemongrass. So you're just going to use the bottom part of the lemongrass. Bay leaves. And mix everything together until well blended. Get our chicken. It's 1.5 kilograms. I'm going to rub the marinade all over the chicken. Okay. Wrap the marinade inside the cavity as well. To prevent the chicken breast from being dry, wrap the marinade ingredients under the skin. Okay, so try to insert your finger slowly. Be careful not to tear the skin. I'm going to put some slices of red onion inside the cavity. Going to be more flavorful. And lemongrass stalk. Okay, just put it inside. Just going to wash my hands. We're going to seal our chicken using cling wrap. This will help to absorb more the heavenly aroma flavor of our marinade. Place it in the fridge and marinate it for 5 to 6 hours. While the chicken is marinating in the fridge, let's make our green mango salad. This salad is so delicious, it tastes fresh, and you will need only 4 ingredients. I have green mango here. Slices of red onions. I'm going to add brown sugar. The brown sugar will balance out the sour flavor of green mango and the strong flavor of red onions. I'm going to add few slices of chili. Now if you want spicier, you can always add more. Mix everything together. Just keep mixing until the sugar is dissolved. Okay, going to cover it with cling wrap. Keep this in the fridge until ready to serve. Preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius. I'm going to turn on the fan and I'm going to use the top and bottom heat. I marinated the chicken for 6 hours and I'm going to remove the cling wrap. Season the chicken with salt, black pepper. I'm gonna remove the lemongrass inside and the onions so that I can season the cavity as well with salt and pepper. The other side as well. Okay, I'm going to put back the lemongrass inside the cavity and the onions as well. I'm going to tie the legs with kitchen twine. Just going to drizzle the baking pan with olive oil, just a little. Place the chicken inside the baking pan, breast side up. Bake the chicken first for 20 minutes with high heat. Blasting heat will crisp the skin and gives the chicken a great roasty flavor. Okay, I just checked the chicken. It has a perfect golden brown color. Now I'm going to lower the heat to 200 degrees Celsius and I'm going to switch to bottom heat only and continue baking for 40 minutes. I baked the chicken for 60 minutes. Let it cool down for 5 minutes before transferring it to a serving dish. While the chicken is cooling down, let's start cooking our shrimp and pineapple fried rice. It will only take 7 to 8 minutes to finish this dish. Turn on the heat to medium. My pan is ready. Add some olive oil. Heat it for about a minute. Add the shrimps. Season it with salt and black pepper. And cook the shrimps until tender. It will take about 2 minutes. Transfer the shrimps to a bowl. Add more oil. Add the chopped garlic. Saute it for a few seconds. Okay, I'm gonna add more oil because my pan is getting dry. Add the carrots. And then lower the heat. And continue to cook the carrots until tender. Time to add our cooked rice. I cooked it a while ago. Just getting one more wooden spoon. Before I add the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to season it with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Add the corn, green peas, pineapple, and toasted cashew nuts. And mix everything together. You mix it slowly and gently. I'm gonna put back the shrimps. Mix it again. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to turn up the heat and transfer it to a serving plate. Now here's our lechon manok, shrimp and pineapple fried rice, and green mango salad. And I wish everyone to enjoy the spirit of Christmas.